Well, folks, welcome to my storm chasing adventures. I'm Storm Chaser Logan Ezrich, and today I received a phone call from Storm Chaser Eli Roberts. He is currently up in Hamburg, New York. Broke down. Yeah, not good. Don't know what's wrong with his car. His left rear tire will not go forward whatsoever. We don't know what's wrong with it. Could be a brake caliper issue. Could be an emergency brake issue. The biggest issue is Advanced Auto is not open today as they are snowed in with 60 to 70 inches of snow. Snow is like halfway up their doors. So yeah, they're closed and I don't think they're going to be opening today. So we're going to be going on an adventure on a rescue mission and see if we can help him get back home, as that would not be a cheap tow bill as he's from eastern Pennsylvania. So let's head up to Hamburg, New York and see if we can rescue Storm Chaser Eli Roberts. Upon arriving, we got the tools necessary from Harbor Freight. Surprisingly, they were open. We removed the brake caliper, and we discovered we also had to take off the brake caliper mounting bracket in order to remove that rotor you see there. We also discovered that there's two Phillips heads that were pretty rusted on the rotor. Got some PV blasters, sprayed those, and removed those pretty easily. We also wanted to make sure we did not take that nut off for the axle. Upon removing the rotor, we found that the emergency brake pads came off as well when pulling the rotor off. We were pretty sure that's what caused the rotor to jam up and not be able to turn, so we removed those off of the emergency brake pad assembly, sprayed the brake pad assembly down, and was in working order when we would pull the emergency brake lever. And sure enough, putting the rotor back on, the tire was rolling in forward and reverse again, finally putting Storm Chaser Eli Roberts back on the road for another chase. After a few cold hours of fixing his vehicle, we got back out onto the road and started to drive around the Hamburg area as we discovered multiple vehicles still with snow on top of them and a lot of people still having their vehicles buried in their driveways. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified the next time I intercept a storm.